was louder.
It was louder than you think. It's
That's
just
what-
deeper in your back, so you don't hear it in your head as much as the neck. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is gonna be a little bit of a combo for here and the base of the skull. So I'm coming up, okay? Yeah, 4 hours, a long way.
That'll be worth it. Chew food.
I'm gonna go right here. There we go. So you're gonna just relax your head down this way. Feel the jaw even moving when we're doing that.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you know how much that's related to the upper neck. That thing's clicking and popping just doing this. There we go.
Mm.
And the best